Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are explore an amazing topic of Photoshop, how to create Snapchat ad creative using custom shapes. Start with a bright yellow background that match Snapchat theme. Add large geometric shapes to construct a modern layout. Use circle to features product photos. Apply white rectangles for text section. Use zigzag and doodle style shapes for a playful look. Add shadows effect to make the shapes pop. Insert product images using clipping mask. Create a bold discount badge using polygon shapes. Use shapes outline for extra visual insert. Add CTA buttons using rounded rectangle shapes. Tie everything together with consistent spacing. Apply